Hello and good morning to everyone. This is Devashish Mohanty. Today once again I am welcoming you all to do the discussion of the question number 3 of exercise 9.1. And in this question, here it is given that, see the question perfectly. Here it is given that a contractor plans to install 2 slides in a park. Suppose the 2 slides, and here it is given that the 2 slide means the slides are just like this, and the 2 slide it is to be made in such a way, one it is for the less than 5 years children, another one it is for elder one. So for which one it is to be made for our less than 5 years children, that one it is to be made in such a way such that this height it is the shorter one. So this height it is our 1.5 meter. This height it is our 1.5 meter, and the slide here it makes the angle with the ground, it is our 30 degree. Otherwise the angle of inclination of the slide, it is our 30 degree with the ground. And here it is suppose this one is the step. In one side the children have to climb, then after on the another side they have to slide. So this one it is the one of the slide which is made for our children who are below the 5 years age, and its height it is our 1.5 meter, and this one it is the slide where the slide makes the angle with the ground, it is our 30 degree. And here I am showing you another one which is meant for our elders, and here it is the height it is our 3 meter. Here the height it is our 3 meter, and the slide makes the angle with the ground, it is our 60 degree. Here it is the angle of inclination of the slide with the ground, it is our 60 degree. And this side it is our step, and it is asked that you have to find out the length of this slide, also length of this slide. See perfectly. So this one it is one of the right triangular case, this one it is another right triangular case. And I said whenever in any of the right angle triangle, whenever one angle it is given, one acute angle it is given, and one of the side it is given, we can find out the another side easily. Here suppose I am giving its name, it is our A, this one it is our B, this one it is our C. Suppose its name it is our D, its name it is our E, and its name it is our F. I said you have to consider this triangle to find out the length of the slide of the below the 5 year slide. So in the triangle here in triangle ABC, I said which one it is given for this angle, this one it is the P and this one it is the H, for which we have to consider that a trigonometric ratio which having the relationship between the P and H. One it is our sine, another one it is our cosine. Here I am feeling comfortable to use the sine, for which I am writing here sine 30 degree, it is our AP divided by AC. It means sine it is our P divided by H, for which in the next step we have to put the value sine 30 degree, means it is our 1 by 2, which is equal to AB it is given our 1.5 meter divided by AC. As I want to find out the AC, for which AC by doing the cross multiplication, AC becomes 2 into 1.5 meter, which is our 3 meter. So it means I got the AC it is our 3 meter. It means the length of the slide used for less than 5 years children, it is our 3 meter. It means this length, it is our 3 meter. Length of this slide, it is our 3 meter. Just like we have done the case of the slide of the children less than 5 years, in the same way we have to find for the elder also. So for the elder we have to write again in triangle DEF sine 60 degree, it is our DE divided by DF, which is our DE. It means sine 60 degree, first we have to write it as our sine 60 degree, it is our root 3 by 2. DE, it is our 3 meter, and DF, it is not given, for which let it be same DF. It implies by doing the cross multiplication, root 3 into DF, it is our 6 meter. It implies DF, it is our 6 meter divided by root 3. On rationalizing the denominator, we will get it as 6 into, here it is root 3. So for which, to make the denominator rationalize 1, I have to multiply root 3 in the denominator, also root 3 with the numerator. For which this one becomes 6 root 3 divided by 3. Here 3 it will cancel 2, for which this one it will be our 2 root 3 meter. It means this one it will be our 2 root 3 meter. It means the final sentence you have to write just like this. So the length of the slide used for the children below the 5 years, it is our 3 meter, and length of the slide used for our elder children, it is our 2 root 3 meter. Leaving this question.